Electric vehicles have been seen as a luxury for a year, something futuristic and out of reach for most buyers. But Toyota just broke that barrier. So how did they make an electric SUV this affordable? What does this mean for Tesla? And could this be the beginning of the end for gas-powered cars? From Toyota's bold strategy to the ripple effect it is causing across the industry, we are uncovering every shocking detail. And trust me, by the end of this, you will never look at electric vehicles the same way again. Stick with me because this changes everything. Toyota just made history. Toyota just launched an electric vehicle so affordable that it makes gas-powered cars look overpriced. This is not just another new model. It is a seismic shift in the automotive industry. For decades, electric vehicles have been considered a luxury, priced far beyond the reach of the average consumer. Tesla set the standard for modern electric vehicles, but at a cost that locked out millions of potential buyers. Now, Toyota has changed the game. The company has long been hesitant to fully embrace electric vehicles, sticking to hybrid technology while competitors surged ahead. Toyota's strategy had been focused on reliability and fuel efficiency rather than chasing trends in the electric vehicle market. That hesitation cost them. Tesla, along with other brands like BYD and Volkswagen, raced ahead, claiming massive shares of the global electric vehicle market. But Toyota was never out of the fight. Instead, they were waiting for the perfect moment to strike. That moment has arrived. With their new electric vehicle priced at an astonishing $113,000, Toyota has not only entered the race, they may have just taken the lead. This move is already shaking the entire automotive industry. For years, consumers had only two choices: pay a premium for an electric vehicle or settle for a gas-powered car. Now, Toyota has rewritten the rules, making electric vehicles accessible to the masses. If this model succeeds, it could force every major automaker to rethink their pricing strategies. But Toyota's decision to price an electric vehicle this low is not just about affordability. There is a hidden strategy behind this move, and it changes everything. How did Toyota achieve the $113,000 price? The first key to Toyota's success is their partnership with Guangzhou Automobile Group, a Chinese automaker known for cost-efficient electric vehicle production. By working with a company that has mastered high-volume, low-cost manufacturing, Toyota was able to tap into expertise that allowed them to build a high-quality vehicle while keeping production costs low. This collaboration has been pivotal, enabling Toyota to introduce an electric vehicle at a price point that was previously thought to be impossible. Second, Toyota has embraced lithium-ion phosphate battery technology. Traditional lithium-ion batteries are expensive, and their reliance on costly materials like cobalt drives up production costs. Lithium-ion phosphate batteries, on the other hand, are not only cheaper, but also more durable and require less maintenance. This change alone significantly lowered the cost of production without sacrificing performance or safety. The final key to Toyota's pricing strategy is its global manufacturing scale. No other automaker has Toyota's level of production efficiency. They have spent decades perfecting mass production, streamlining supply chains, and reducing costs at every stage of vehicle assembly. This allowed Toyota to apply its legendary cost-cutting expertise to electric vehicles, making a $113,000 price point possible. But here is what makes this vehicle truly remarkable. Toyota did not just make it cheap, they made it competitive. This is not a bare-bones, low-quality model designed simply to hit a price target. Toyota ensured that it stands up against significantly more expensive models in performance, features, and technology. And when you see what you actually get for $113,000, it becomes clear why this. The vehicle is already sending shock waves through the industry. For this price, you would expect a stripped-down, minimalistic car that lacks essential features. But what Toyota delivered is something completely different. This is not a small city car or a downgraded compact model. It is a full-size sport utility vehicle. It has the dimensions of a Toyota RAV4, offering the space and practicality that consumers expect from an SUV. Inside, Toyota has packed this vehicle with technology that rivals more expensive electric models. A massive 14-inch touchscreen dominates the dashboard, providing a high-tech experience that is usually reserved for vehicles costing more than $50,000. The interface is smooth and intuitive, offering seamless connectivity and advanced infotainment options. Right behind the steering wheel, An 8-inch digital driver display ensures that essential driving information is visible at all times. The surprises do not stop there. Toyota has included advanced driver assistance technology that is rare in vehicles at this price point. Features like adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring come standard. These are not the stripped-down safety features of budget vehicles. This is technology that rivals some of the most advanced electric vehicles on the market. Even the interior design defies expectations. Instead of hard plastic surfaces and a minimalist approach, Toyota has designed a cabin that feels premium. The vehicle includes wireless charging, rear vents, multiple USB charging ports, and a foldable armrest for added comfort. Toyota has even included 32-color ambient lighting, allowing drivers to personalize the cabin atmosphere, a feature typically reserved for luxury models. Toyota is proving that electric vehicles do not have to be expensive to be high quality. This is not just about making an affordable car. It is about making a car that people actually want to buy. And while the price tag is impressive, what is even more shocking is Toyota's willingness to sell this vehicle at a loss. But there is a reason for that. This is not about short-term profits. Toyota is playing a much bigger game. Selling a car at a loss sounds like a mistake, unless you are playing the long game. Toyota is not interested in immediate profits from this vehicle. Their goal is much bigger: to dominate the electric vehicle market. By pricing this electric vehicle at $113,000, Toyota is making a direct move to take customers away from Tesla, BYD, and every other major electric vehicle manufacturer. This is not just about one model. It is about accelerating global electric vehicle adoption. For years, high prices have been the biggest barrier to mass adoption of electric vehicles. By eliminating that barrier, Toyota is pushing the entire industry forward, making electric vehicles a mainstream option for everyone. But there is another layer to Toyota's strategy: future monetization. While they may be losing money on the initial sale, Toyota is looking ahead to the revenue streams that come from connected car services, over-the-air updates, and future upgrades. This is the same strategy that companies like Amazon have used: sell products at a loss to build market dominance, then make money through services and expansion. Toyota is forcing Tesla into a fight it cannot afford to lose. If this vehicle succeeds, Tesla will be forced to respond. But Tesla's entire business model is built around premium pricing. They cannot easily drop their prices without cutting deeply into their profit margins. And this is where Toyota's strategy becomes truly dangerous for its competitors. They are not just lowering prices. They are setting a new standard that will force the rest of the industry to follow. Toyota has made their move. The industry is watching, and what happens next could change the future of electric vehicles forever.